The journey begins with the original aspiration. Quality, as weighty as Mount Tai. Technology set up the nation. Innovation make it strong. Mine crane, endless power. Henan Mine Crane Company Limited, as a professional manufacturer of crane and material handling products, created all kinds of crane and crane fast steady development in production and sales. More than hundreds of sets of remarkable achievements. The company has won more than 500 honors, such as National Industrial Enterprise Quality Benchmarking, National Green Factory, China Industry Award nomination, Ingenuity, Focus on Quality, Inheritance Ingenuity, Quality First. Henan Mine adheres to the construction of standards, brands, and quality systems. It has participated in the formulation and revision of more than 50 international, national, and industrial standards, and established the ISO 9001 and GJB 9001C Quality Management System certification, and the European Union CE certification. Concentration, good at innovation, not compromise, not follow blindly, not conservative. Leading by science and technology, innovation and development. Henan Mine promotes industrial transformation and upgrading with technological innovation, equipment innovation, process innovation, product innovation, and brand innovation. The company has set up 3 provincial technology research and development centers and set up Henan Mine Crane Research Institute, cooperated with the Provincial Special Inspection Institute to build a crane key technology laboratory, successfully engaged lots of professors and experts like Wang Jisheng, Xu Lei, Lu Nianli, Lan Peng, Cheng Wengming, as well as over 200 senior engineers to establish a powerful R&D group. Adhere to equipment innovation. No hesitate to invest heavily in the introduction of sophisticated equipment to create the domestic industry's advanced CNC finishing intelligent workshop. Introduced more than 600 sets of various types of welding or processing robots, more than 100 automatic welding and processing production lines. Improve the modern intelligent manufacturing capacity. Insist on product innovation. Products continue to develop to large tonnage, intelligent, green, lightweight transformation development. The intelligent grab crane designed and manufactured for Baowu Group adopts a series of new technologies, such as gray bus bar positioning, optical scanning, optical fiber transmission, fault detection output, and so on. YZS 280-ton 4-beam casting bridge crane for Yanshan Iron and Steel Company Limited has changed the situation that large casting cranes are monopolized by state-owned enterprises. The Coke tank crane, designed and manufactured for Qianan Zhujiang Coal Storage and Transportation Company Limited, fills the technical gap of uncovering the lid without guide pillar and the overall distribution and transportation of Coke package. The Container Bridge Intelligent Crane, designed and manufactured for Manshan Iron and Steel Company Limited, is equipped with the WMS system, which has the functions of two-way double anti-sway, automatic box search, grab, and remote monitoring. The 40.5-ton, 35-meter rail container gantry crane, designed and manufactured for Lanzhou International Port and Logistics Park, has broken the monopoly of large port machinery by state-owned enterprises. The nuclear power crane, designed and manufactured for CNNC 404 Company Limited and CGNPC Daya Bay Nuclear Power Plant, integrates a series of advanced technologies such as single fault protection design, seismic design, and transmission chain detection. Simulated water resource crane, automatic unattended crane, intelligent storage crane, intelligent steel plate stacker, and other innovative products have been highly recognized and praised by customers. Filial piety. Respect filial devotion and morality. Values of filial piety. Henan Mine adheres to the culture of filial piety as the core value of the enterprise, governs the enterprise by virtue, carries forward and practices the cultural concept of 3 hearts, and adheres to the development goal of 6 most. The power of the culture of filial piety creates harmony, kindliness, and common progress, and achieves a harmonious and win-win situation for the society, enterprises, and families. We will devote ourselves to the social, economic, and cultural construction of our hometown. Along the way, infatuatedly, the company has donated more than 100 million yuan in total. The development of the enterprise comes from the support of all walks of life. Henan Mine will assume social responsibilities with a more responsible attitude, give back to the society, and boost the development and growth of the industry. Ambition. Go to the world. Ambitious people. Prosperous nation. At present, the company's product output and market share are among the industry's advanced ranks, with more than 420 sales agencies radiating all over the country, serving more than 6,000 medium and high-end customers around the world. Looking to the future, focus on crane research and development and manufacturing. Henan Mine Crane firmly believe that great nations have equipment manufacturing that expresses national prestige, actively developing Chinese intelligent manufacturing. To be the leader of intelligent, green, and high-quality development in the crane industry. Learn, introduce, absorb, and optimize advanced technology to create world-class products. Henan Mine Intelligent Industrial Park, newly built in 2019, covers an area of 740,000 square meters, aiming to build an intelligent manufacturing base for cranes with modern management, digital equipment, automation of production, intelligent products, and personalized services. The Intelligent Industrial Park marks that Henan Mine have entered a new period of high-quality development and will stand on the world stage with a new attitude. Intelligent manufacturing with national dream. In order to build a century-old mineral source and create a first-class enterprise, we will forge ahead and make new achievements. Henan Mine Crane.